To create a PowerPoint presentation from scratch using Copilot, we're going to first open up our Copilot dialog box on the right-hand side. And what's nice is Copilot gives us some prompts already so we can create a presentation about, create something from file, or even add a specific slide. For this example, we're going to create a presentation about. So all that's going to do is start typing in our dialog box below here, and then we can fill in the blanks for what we're looking for specifically. So for this, I want to create a presentation about a new project kickoff meeting. So new project kickoff. That's going to be my prompt. I'm going to click send, and now I'm going to let Copilot do its thing. So what Copilot is going to do is it's going to create a slide deck for me, and then I can go in and I can make edits, I can add slides, and I can also use the designer feature to amplify my PowerPoint presentation. So boom, there it goes. Now that Copilot has generated our PowerPoint for us, there are a few places I want to draw your attention to. First being, Copilot automatically gives us speaker notes depending on the prompt that we have given it. And you can go in, edit these prompts, and add the information that you need for this specific presentation. This is such a helpful tool though, because now we have a nice outline that we now can build from. The second place I want to draw your attention to is jumping up to this designer feature. Now, designer is a cool feature in PowerPoint where it uses artificial intelligence to help reorganize a slide or images to help maybe fit the look that you're looking for in your presentation. So I like the current title slide. It has a nice little video. And again, this is all from Copilot. Copilot added all of these things in. But say I want to adjust this one, the roles and responsibilities. So when I open up Designer, it's now going to give me a couple different options for what my slide could look like. So maybe I like this one better, and now I can add that and it'll change it there. And you'll even see too, every slide has some speaker notes that we can build from when we create our presentation from scratch in Copilot.